Okay, we're going to create a mind map or concept map using Coggle It. Once you log in with your own credentials, you're going to go to Create Diagram. This will automatically pop up and you can begin there. So by clicking in that box, you'll type in your main topic, clicking out of the box and just hovering your mouse over that. The little plus symbol comes up, you click on that plus symbol and a branch will be drawn for you, and you can put in other topics here. Click. So you can put in as many as you want. Let's say that you're filled up on these topics, but you really want some more. No big deal. Just go back up there and put in another one. Alright, so once those topics are in, you can click within there and do another topic. Maybe it's a detail. And another detail. And then you think that you need an image here, so you just click on that image icon. It'll bring up something so that you can insert an image from your computer. It will automatically resize it and you have to pay money to get it big. This is fine for me. Now the other thing that I'm wanting you to do is to create cross links between different areas of your map. To do that, it's a little tricky. You're going to right click in that plus area. This wheel comes up. Then you're going to hit shift, and the shift button changes the options in your wheel. This is normal wheel, this is the shifted wheel. And what I want you to do is to get this dashed line to create a cross link. Once you hover there, click on it, then you can drag it to where you think it should go. So I think these two things are connected. Once you have your line drawn, you may right click in the white space and add a label. So those are all of the aspects I'd like you to include in your concept map. The last thing I want to mention is how to share it with me. You'll want to go to the public diagram or the download. I think either will work. You'll click there and you want this to be a public. You'll create a link, and then if I hover where that link is, I can click on the copy, and now the copy is in your memory, so you can go to Blackboard and paste that link into Blackboard. I prefer the link over a PDF or an image, which you can download, because everything is really small in those, and it's easier for me to see by going in and viewing your link. So please share your link with me instead. And that's it.